This is the magazine named 17, issue 1st March 2012. This is the picture of one actor that we are interested to use the augmented reality application from Wishpond system, and you can find here the instruction how to use. The user just go to the App Store and download the name of 17 Valentine Party at search icon, and when you finish to download in the iPad or the iPhone, you can find this icon 17 and you go there, and then you can see the camera mode, and then you have to find the picture of this actor, and then you can use this application and you can see the video in real time, and the actor is playing the guitar at the mall Terminal 21 also. And then you can go even to the Facebook of 17, just paste there, and you can even paste like or see every details of 17 magazine for Thailand just here.